Hey guys, it's D with Armaspec coming at you with another video. Today we're going to be talking about our charging handles, and if you're still rocking one of these old ones, you need to upgrade. All jokes aside, I am here to talk to you today about our 3 charging handles that we offer here at Armaspec. Our original charging handle we introduced to the market
with our gas mitigating feature.
And it's ambidextrous design with center force charging. The next charging handle that we came out with is the Victory Compact. This was for guys who are worried about it snagging on their molly equipment, maybe in a tactical setting. And then the next one that we have is our Classic. This is kind of new for us. This is a more cost-effective charging handle that we offer. We took a couple machining steps out of this one to bring that cost down. We took out the gas ports that our Victory line has, and we didn't scallop out the levers, as you can see here, that's not hollow. We just did that to help save you guys some money, but it's still the same build quality, still made on the same machines, and still made out of 7075. The Armaspec Victory ambidextrous charging handle is designed for 5.56 and 2.23 rifles, with its curved handles for better ergonomics, integrated vents to direct captured gas downward and away from the shooter's face. It is optimized for suppressed shooting. It also offers center force charging to reduce shaft twist.
Here we have our original Victory charging handle. This is our first offering in our charging handle line. The Victory charging handle utilizes 2 latches, one larger than the other for left-handed shooters, and this also helps clear the forward assist found on most AR-15s. The other feature that this has is center force charging. So as you charge this impingement area right here, it acts on the center of the shaft, so no matter how you pull this charging handle, you're always pulling straight into the rear without any twisting. The other feature that this has is we have integrated gas vents found at the top of the charging handle. That takes gas, routes it to the bottom of the charging handle in these holes found at the bottom. This is good for suppressed shooting, just helps route that gas out of the shooter's face. This is a great option for any shooter or any professional out there. This is our second offering in our Victory line. This is our Victory Compact. The only difference between this guy and the original design is that we shrunk the levers slightly to improve on the potential snagging hazard. The original Victory has a wingspan of 2.8 and our Compact comes in at 2.3. This is our Armaspec Classic charging handle. So this charging handle has the same wingspan and build quality that our original Victories have. The only thing we've changed on this guy is that we have eliminated the machining process of scalloping out these 2 levers. We also have eliminated the gas mitigating feature found on the back. This is what makes this charging handle a little bit more cost effective for somebody who wants a nice ambidextrous charging handle but may not need all the features found in our other 2 options. This only comes in black. It's also made out of 7075 T6 aluminum and has a Type 3 hard coat anodized as well.
So whichever one of these bad boys you decide to pick up, we have an option out there for everyone. Hit the website, pick one up for yourself. Until then, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.